Bonjour. Today we are going to revise some topics that we have done already in class 7th. So let's have a quick recap of what we have done. So first topic is les articles. So we are going to discuss about all the articles that we have learned in class 7th. So you have to copy this table in your notebooks, and you have to write the examples that I will be giving you. So if you want to open your books, you can open your books on page number 15. So les articles, first is les articles définis. Les articles définis are definite articles, which means the in English. So in French we have le is for masculine singular, la is the for feminine singular, l apostrophe is for masculine or feminine singular thing or person, singular thing which has a vowel in front of it or a silent h, and les is for masculine, feminine, plural. So le, la, les, l apostrophe means the. So they are definite articles. Les articles indéfinis, which are the indefinite articles, which are a and an. So un is for masculine singular, une is for feminine singular, des is for masculine, feminine, plural. So here are some examples. Le garçon, the boy. La fille, the girl. L'homme, the man. Les garçons, the boys. Same we can do it with indefinite articles. Un garçon, a boy. Une fille, a girl. Un homme, which is a man. And des garçons, des filles, des hommes, which means boys, girls or men. Les articles contractés. So they are two types of contracted articles. We learn them with prepositions. So these are the articles which are les articles avec les prépositions. So they are used with the prepositions a and the. So we use both of these contracted articles with places. So there are two types of them, which is to the, of the and from the. For to the we use a, and then we add a with the definite articles. So a plus le becomes o. So it is to the for masculine singular. A plus la becomes a la. So it is to the for feminine singular. A plus l apostrophe becomes al, which is used for masculine, feminine singular, but with a vowel or silent h. And aux, that is o, is to the, is a plus le, which is to the for masculine, feminine, plural. And of the or from the comes from the plus all of these definite articles. So the plus le becomes du. It means of the or from the for masculine singular. The plus la becomes de la, which is of the or from the for feminine singular. The plus l apostrophe becomes de le, which is of the or from the for masculine singular, feminine singular with a vowel or silent h. And de is finally the plus le. It means of the or from the for masculine and feminine plural. Now les articles partitifs. Partitive articles, we learned this type of article in the chapter where we learned about different types of food items. So it is generally used with food items and it means some. So du, de la, del apostrophe and they. So for example, the l'eau. Je veux de l'eau. I want some water. Je veux des glaces. I want the ice creams. So like that, these are the articles that we have learned in class 7th, and I hope you have written them with examples in your notes. The next topic for today is les verbes. So in class 7th we learned about 3 different types of verbs, which were er ending verbs, ir ending verbs and re ending verbs. We also learned a few irregular verbs like être, avoir and a few more. So today first we are going to understand these 3 verbs and revise them. So first is er ending verbs. Let us take an example to understand them and to recapitulate. So the verb that we are going to take today is parler. Parler means to speak. So what we are going to do first of all is we are going to eliminate ER and we are going to write je, parle, and then we are going to add an E. So it becomes je parle. With Q, what do we add? We add PARLES. With il and L, we write PARLE. So we are adding these to the infinitive. Then with nu, it is PARLONS. So we are adding ONS. With woo, it is PARL and EZ, parler. With il and L, we write PARLENT. So it becomes parle. So it has become je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. It means I speak, I'm speaking, you speak, you are speaking, he speaks, he is speaking, she speaks, she is speaking, we speak, we are speaking, you speak, you are speaking, they speak, they are speaking. So here when we remove ER, instead of ER we add E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT. Now with IR ending verbs, we are going to take an example of finir, which means to finish. So with je, again we will remove this IR, we will write FINI, so we add an I. With tu, it is FINI, we add IS. With il and L, again FIN, we add IT. With nu, it is FINI, double S, ONS. So we add ISSONS. With woo, it becomes FINI, double SEZ, woo finisse. Then with il and L, it is FINI, double SENT. So it has become il finis, elle finis. So with je, with je, it is FINIS, je fini. With tu, it is tu fini. With il, it is il fini, elle fini. Nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. So first we take the verb, we have removed the IR. With je, we have added the IS with the radical. With tu, we have again added IS with the radical. With il and L, we have added IT. With nu, we have added ISSONS. With woo, ISSEZ. With il and L, plural, we have added ISSENT. Now, we are going to learn about the RE ending verbs. So, RE ending verbs, we are going to take a venir. We are going to take vendre. Vendre is the verb which means to sell. So, je, here what we do is again we remove this RE, VENDS, tu, VENDS, il and L, we don't add anything, VEND. With nu, VENDONS. With woo, VENDEZ. And with il and L, VENDENT. So here it is. For je, it is je vends. For tu, it is tu vends. With il, L, it is again vend. Il vend, elle vend, but we have not added anything. With nous, it is vendons, nous vendons. With vous, it is vous vendez. With il and elle, plural, it is vous, il vend, elle vend. So here we have removed the RE. So with je, we add S. With tu, we again add S. With il and L, we don't add anything. With nu we add ons, with who we add ez, and with il and el plural we add ent. The third topic is la negation. We also learned how to negate a sentence or how to make a positive sentence or affirmative sentence into a negative or a pejorative sentence. So the formula for making a sentence negative is ne plus verb plus pas. So this is our formula for making a sentence negative. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So first I will write a sentence in English. So I am going to write I watch the TV. So this is my sentence. Now I am first going to convert it into French. So I is je. Watch, to watch the verb is regarder. So je regarde la TV is télé. So I watch the TV. Now I have to make a negative sentence that I don't watch TV. So the negative is going to be je. Then I am going to add ne. Then the verb, that is regard. Then after the verb we add pas. Then the same thing, la télé. So je ne regarde pas la télé. I don't watch TV. We also learned another thing, very important thing that we learned is that the indefinite and partitive articles become the or de, the apostrophe negative in the negative sentence. So in, they become or the apostrophe, and even partitive articles. So for example, j'ai un stylo. This is my sentence that j'ai un stylo. So the negative of this sentence will be je n'ai pas. Now after pas we will add the. Je n'ai pas de, and this will be removed. Je n'ai pas de stylo. This means that I don't have any pen. I don't have any pen. But this does not work. We don't put the or the apostrophe in case of S. So this is it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And please revise well and do the work that will be given to you in the PPT. Bonne journée.